In this video, I will explain how to calculate the present value of money. So here's the formula that we can use. We say that the present value is equal to the future value divided by 1 plus r to the power of n, where r is the annual interest rate and n is the number of years. So let's take a look at an example of how to actually use this formula. This says Josh decides to deposit money into an account with an annual interest rate of 6.75% compounded annually. How much should he deposit if he wants to have $5,000 in 4 years from now? So in this question, we know the future value that Josh wants. He wants to have $5,000. We just want to know what is the present value, or in other words, how much should he deposit into this account in order for that money to grow to this future value of $5,000. So let's go ahead and use this formula up here. We'll say the present value is equal to the future value, which we know is $5,000, divided by 1 plus r. So r is the interest rate, which we're told is 6.75%. Now in this formula, we're going to write r as a decimal. So if we have it 6.75, to write that as a decimal, we just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So it'll land right here, and this will become a 0. So down here, we're going to write 0.0675. And that's raised to the power of n, where n is the number of years, which we're told is 4 years. So we'll say to the power of 4. Now, if we simplify this a little bit, we get $5,000 divided by 1 plus 0.0675 is 1.0675, and that's raised to the 4th power. And if you punch this into a calculator, $5,000 divided by 1.0675 to the 4th power, you get 3,850.33. And remember, our units are dollars. So this is how much Josh needs to deposit today in order to have $5,000 4 years from now.